Hello everyone, Christan Bosley, President and Broker of Record here. It is that time again for our monthly market update. The June numbers are in and they certainly do tell a story this month. So let's get started with sales. We typically expect to see sales decline between May and June, as May is typically the peak of our spring market. However, this time around, we actually saw sales remain very stable this month with almost the exact same number of sales through the system that we experienced in May, a total of 6,243. Now, 2,319 of these sales took place in the city of Toronto specifically. Fun fact, just for you, when I say we typically see a decline, I mean it. We have only seen sales remain stable and/or increase 6 times between May and June in the last 20 plus years. Now, when it comes to new listings, we saw a total of 19,839 new listings through our system in June, increasing about 7.7% year over year. However, month over month, this represents a decline of approximately 9%. Segmenting out the city of Toronto specifically, we saw a total of 7,053 new listings to market, representing a decline of 10.6%. Now, we currently have about 11,700 active listings in the city of Toronto, representing a total of 5 months of inventory on the market. Interestingly, when we turn to price, we have experienced a month-over-month decline of about 1.7%, with the average price continuing to hover around that 1.1 mark. Now, rest assured, again, this is very typical. We do expect prices to peak in May. In Toronto specifically, however, our average price is slightly higher at 1.132. Now, how does this price compare to our average for the month of June? It does remain on the lower side of what we would have come to expect to see since about January of 2023 when we track those trends. Now, of course, the continuing trade discussions with the US continue to impact our overall economy and consumer confidence. What's the moral of the story? The steady sales figures combined with declining new listings to market really does signal a slight tightening of the market as we near the end of our spring cycle. We expect a quiet summer ahead as we work to prepare for increased listing volume come September as usual. If you're in need of great real estate advice today on how to seek the best opportunity in your local markets, don't forget to call Bosley. We've been by your side for 97 years and counting. Thanks so much for listening. Bye for now.